Think doing crunches will give you abs of steel? Here's the truth. Most people are training their necks and lower backs more than their abs. In fact, a bad crunch is like texting while walking. You think you're on track until you faceplant. So, are you really strengthening your core or just rehearsing bad form? Let's expose the top offenders. Mistake number 1. Yanking your head forward like you're trying to read a text through your shirt. That turns your abs workout into a neck stretcher. Mistake 2. Lifting your entire back off the floor. You're doing more of a sit-up, and your hip flexors hijack the movement. Mistake 3. Racing through reps as if you'll win a trophy for speed. Spoiler, no one's handing out medals for the fastest crunch. So if most people are guilty of at least one of these, what's the actual secret? Start simple. Lie down flat, knees bent, feet on the floor. Now here's the key. Think of your lower back as the foundation of a skyscraper. It must stay grounded. If that foundation arches and wobbles, the tower, your torso, crumbles. Hands, lightly behind your head or crossed on your chest. Imagine them as passengers, not drivers. Your neck should stay long, as if a string is gently pulling your head up from the ceiling. Here's the payoff. Instead of thinking sit up, think ribs toward hips. Imagine you're trying to tuck your ribs into your front pocket. Lift just your shoulder blades off the ground, pause, and lower with control. That tiny range of motion is exactly where the magic happens. Quality beats quantity every time. Once you've mastered the basics, spice it up. Place your hands across your chest for slightly more challenge, or add a slow 2-second squeeze at the top for deeper activation. Want advanced? Try holding a weight across your chest. Just remember, the form never changes. No jerking, no sprinting. Precision first, intensity second. So, quick recap. Back stays grounded. Hands are passengers. Lift with your abs, not your neck, and keep it slow and precise. Now your challenge. Hit the floor and try 10 flawless reps with that ribs to hips cue. Feel the difference? That burn is your core finally doing the work it was hired for. Keep practicing, because polished crunches don't just sculpt abs. They build the strong foundation every movement in your life depends on. You've got this. Train smart, not sloppy, and your core will thank you every single day.